In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a chain stitch. You start by just attaching the yarn to the hook and whatever way is comfortable for you. Either you can look at the video that I recorded to show how I attach it, or you can loop the yarn around and tie a knot so that you have this loop that the crochet hook can be inserted into. To start off with, I'm going to hold the hook in my right hand, and the piece of yarn that is the tail end I am also going to hold in my right hand between my index finger and my thumb to keep this piece still. So now once the tail end and the hook are still, you can pick up the working end of the yarn and you can wrap it around the hook. After you wrap it around, you start moving the piece up. The piece that you wrapped around, you want it to be underneath the hook. And the loop that you had from the beginning, you pull over the hook. And now you've made your first chain. That's the most difficult part. After that, you continue holding your work in your right hand, the tail end, the chain you've made, and the hook. With the working end of the yarn, wrap around again, pull up, make sure that the yarn is underneath the hook, and then pull the loop over. That's another chain. So wrap around, pull the loop over. And when we wrap the piece of yarn over the hook, we call this yarn over. So I would just say yarn over and pull the hook through the loop. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And you do that for as many times as you need to make the length of the chain that you want. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. And you can just continue for as long as your project requires.